Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Facebook login problem. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and try to reset your password. All you need to do is just go to the Facebook login page and click on Forgot Password to reset it via your email or phone. If it is not the case and it is a unrecognized device or network you're trying to log in, simply try to attempt to log in from a computer, phone, or browser that you have previously used to access your account, which will go ahead and fix your problem. However, if none of it works, then you might want to go to this you might want to open any browser and then go to this link, which is going to be facebook.com/hacked. And click on search. Once you've done that, all you need to do is click on next, and now you'll be taken to another page where all you need to do is simply go ahead and select any option right over here and click on continue. Finally, it will take you right over here where all you need to do is simply go ahead and have a chat with the Meta AI support assistant and ask for a person, and they will simply go ahead and contact you. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.